Hi, this is Wayne and welcome back to our channel, Sublimation. In today's video, we're gonna show you some of these aluminum license plates and of course the license plate frame as well. We have been selling this for quite some years by now, and before our standard styles are all in 1mm thickness, and some of the customers may find that it would be a little bit too heavy to ship, and also they would prefer something with thinner thickness for listening better as well. So in this year's selling, we newly launched a few different new styles. They're all in the same size, but just a little bit different in thickness. Let's say for first the license plate, which is considered one of the most popular products in recent years. You can see here we got 4 different styles actually. The first difference is that it comes with 4 holes or the 2-hole styles. You can see this one have 2 extra holes on the below. I think this one will seem more popular. The price will be the same, just a little bit different in the designs. And also, we got 2 different thickness available for this. It might not show us very clear in here. But this one, the black and white one is in 0.65mm thickness only, while this one is much heavier and looks more stronger in 1mm thickness. So you can choose accordingly to your preference. And also this here we got another license frame for sublimation as well. We got 3 different thickness available for this style, including one in the 1mm, 0.65 and 0.45mm as well. These are all in the standard size for the standard license plate, so you don't worry that it won't fit or anything. The size is around 31 x 16 centimeters, so you might need to get some larger paper to do your sublimation. And they are all made of quality aluminum, so even in this, this is the most thinnest one, and it's 0.45 only, so you can even twist it easily, but it won't get broken easily. That's quality guarantee. And for all these license plate related products, we found that it won't be necessary to do the double-sided coating, because we assume that you might need to submit on one side only, so single-sided printing would be the most cost-effective way to do this product. Okay, so after introducing you some of these license plates, we're also gonna show you how to do the sublimation on them in the next part. Okay, so now we're gonna show you how to do the sublimation printing on this product. For the very first thing of your preparation, remember there is a plastic film on the surface of it, so remember to peel it off before you do the sublimation. And of course, since they are quite the large size, this is what we done. And before you stick to it, make sure you use a slightly larger paper than the A4 size, or you will have to do this like us. And the license plate will fit the A4 size paper perfectly, but don't have this at this place. Okay, so that the printing parameters will be 180 degrees Celsius for about 60 seconds. After you stick the paper perfectly like ours, you just have to place it. The image side face the top, and then put another sheet to it. It's very hot. Yeah, and then we put the other one in it. Same process, same temperatures and time. You can also see it comes with perfectly. Yeah, here in some place our subpaper is not large enough, so they're a little bit empty here. You can see the whole license plate and frame printing perfectly. Just a quick reminder that do not touch the license plate done because they are made of aluminum, so it would be quite hot after the sublimation. Okay, so here in this video we have shown you how to do the sublimation of this license plate in aluminum material. The printing parameter will be printing on the type in the video as well. If there are any other questions you have about this product, please feel free to contact us anytime. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and we'll see you soon in our store.